As decorators, most of us have struggled with that dreaded bulge that we get on the side of the cake sometimes where the filling or the icing squishes. And that's the reason I wanted to take a minute to show you this technique, because I have found that the following steps really help eliminate the bulging problem. I'm pretty much piping it towards the edge of the cake. We can push it in just a little bit if we need to. So I'm going to put my buttercream in there. And you basically want your filling to come to the very top edge of the dam, but not over. This is basically mixed up already. I'll just give it a little spin. And you can see as it's going around, it's completely sealed with icing all the way around. There's no holes. There's no air pockets. The paddle stays completely covered. And then I'm going to give it a spin. Trying to keep the depth of the icing fairly consistent as I go around. All of this looks pretty much above the edge. And what I'm doing is I'm just gently working out all those spatula marks and little imperfections that we may have gotten from the bench scraper. I'm just going around the cake. Again, if your paper wants to start sticking, it means you're getting a little bit of grease absorbed in there, you grab another paper. But when we get to the edges of the cake, I'm going to be very gentle about how much pressure I'm putting along that top edge. Because the more I push down and squish, we're going to create that ledge of icing that doesn't have anywhere to go. We're trying to get that really sharp top edge. And I'm trying to bring it all up just the tiniest bit too high. And there it is. Beautiful diamond impression mat. I hope you try it. I'm going to put my bench scraper onto the board at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to actually push straight back, taking off excess icing as I go, keeping the bench scraper 90 degrees to both the cake and the board, but I'm not going to go all the way to the other corner.